here.
Not those ones.
I was like, what?
Seriously, dude?
I was like, what? You tell me you have to take these shits back down? I was like,
Don't flip off my viewers.
I can flip anybody off I want, man.
That's why you're not putting it yet.
Fuck content.
You live here, you idiot.
so that don't mean nothing. Just because you live in the town don't mean you can't say fuck the town, okay?
You. Never mind.